So now it is Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. We now have thunderstorms that hasn't left the area and is supposedly going to continue on through the evening. All that rain that we had yesterday, it never stopped. When I got home, the rain just kept going and going and going, raining heavily. And we even got in the pool when it was light rain. We got in the pool. And then it rained again. And then a little bit after that, it was fine until around 11 o'clock last night. We had a little period of rain. But now, we got some storms today. Wow. It's getting bad now. Whoa! Wow. Whoa. Ah, look at that lightning. Oh! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my God! Holy shit! Oh, wow! Oh! Oh! Wow! That was close. Damn, that was close. Holy crap. Yeah, did you? Whoa. Yeah, Mom, did you see that strike? So don't come out. Okay. And I'm getting it on video too. Yeah. Oh, the floor's wet. See if Mom can walk on it. It's so blurry now you can't even see outside. That's how much rain we're getting. Look at that. Very fuzzy. Wow.
You okay?
Yeah, just videotaping the weather.
It's crazy.
Oh, you could see a little bit through this window.
A lot.
Wow, yeah, it's full up. Whoa, look at it. It's all the way up to the driveway.
It's crazy. You want to take out your rice cooker?
Yes. It goes all the way up to the neighbor's yard and everything. There's the Charger. Desi's new car. Ooh. Whoa. I tried to get away from the window.
How many cups? 2?
Yeah, 2 cups. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, because it's 6 of us. Wow, look at this water. It's like the highest I've ever seen. It was never this high in a hurricane. Look at that. Wow. It's all the way up to the driveway. And Beck told me that there's air bubbles coming out of the slope between the driveway and the street. It's crazy. Take a look at that. Unbelievable. A car that drives by around here, the water goes past the tire, right?
Yeah, like halfway in the tire.
Oh.
Is that Beck standing out there?
Oh. Oh, that is Beck.
Oh, because there's ducks. The ducks are swimming.
I thought we took the dogs to that other place.
Look at them enjoying the rain.
One of them is having babies.
You know, the ducks are
Look
fucking
at them.
swimming in the street. It's just hilarious.
What?
She's so cute. She went and put all her eggs up and then packed it with feathers from her body.
I was trying to figure out what you were staring at.
I was just watching them like they really think it's a lake, obviously.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it looks like it anyway. It's so flooded.
And I emptied the pool again. Let's see how long it takes to get full again.
I saw that. You dropped it down pretty low, too.
I'll,
Yeah, you know it's going to rain again.
it's,
Rain for the next 2 weeks.
is it going to rain again tonight, Beck?
Should. It should. We got some shitty
How
fucking
many
weather.
lives are you trying to...
I'll take a look at the pool after I'm done eating.
I just dropped it off.
Wow.
Yeah, huh?
Flooded.
Over here, next to the busy tire.
The water. Well, it's like towards the other side of Desi's right tire. That's how deep it is. Wow. Jeez. Hey guys, thanks for watching. So today's thunderstorms were like severe weather from a movie. You know, it's like those flooding events like what you have seen in places like Houston or even like New Orleans or so forth, where you get these nasty, nasty storms that flood an entire street and you hear news reports of cars being submerged. That was the case here in South Florida today, because apparently we had these nasty thunderstorms that just stalled over a specific location, which created a lot of flooding and a lot of heavy rain. And there was certainly a lot of lightning at our house. The flooding on our street was so bad that it was all the way up to our driveway. It was never, ever this high before, but it's even more deceiving when you talk about my street, because on CBS 4 News, they were talking today on Local 10 and on CBS 4 News, they've been talking about how in places like Miami Springs and places like North Miami, the water was so deep on streets that you would have to take a kayak to get through the streets. In fact, in North Miami, there were reports of water getting into homes and businesses, as well as on South Beach, and even in Brickell, where drains had given up. A lot of the draining systems throughout Miami-Dade County apparently gave up. So it's pretty bad, which resulted in all this flooding. And then in Miami Springs, it was the same thing, where there was water, a lot of water on the streets. In fact, at Miami International Airport today, just broke a daily record in 24 hours. One of the daily records in 24 hours, at least. 7 inches of rain in a single day. Yeah, so we definitely have smashed some records. This has got to be the worst thunderstorm system that we have seen in Miami in decades, if not even a century. It was pretty bad. And take a look at the on-ramp to the I-95 at Northeast 79th Street. There were reports of cars being completely submerged, and people had to get out of their cars and swim. It was crazy. It's like what you have seen in places like Houston, Texas during those big catastrophic floods. Yeah, it was pretty bad. I couldn't even imagine something like this happening here in South Florida. Well, apparently it did. It was pretty bad. So flash flood warnings are actually going to continue until midnight. The emergency alerts came on at about 6:30 this evening, or around 7. Again, for the second time since yesterday. And then flood warnings are continuing until midnight tonight. So that means there is still standing water in South Florida. In many places, they never had flooding like this. Many places in South Florida never had flooding as bad as what we have seen today. Not even in a hurricane. So I hope everybody in South Florida is okay after the severe weather we had today. But I gotta tell you, this has got to be one of the most devastating thunderstorms in the Miami-Dade and Broward area. The most devastating thunderstorm event in terms of flood damage and so forth. And also probably the most expensive. So thank you for watching. I have a lot of good videos on my YouTube channel on severe weather and stuff like that. So be sure to like those videos by hitting that thumbs up. And then you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap that thumbs up. And you can also ring that bell if you want to receive any notifications on any new videos that I have posted. And we will see you soon in the next video. Take care, everybody. Be safe out there. Take care. Maintain social distancing. Stay 6 feet apart. And hope to see you again.